Welcome to our culinary adventure, where we explore the enchanting world of food fusion, an innovative approach to cooking that combines distinct cuisines to create extraordinary dishes. Today, we will delve into mixing unlikely flavors from different cultures, transforming traditional recipes into Epicurean masterpieces that tantalize the palate and ignite the imagination. Hello, food enthusiasts. I'm Donna Lois, and today we embark on a flavorful journey that transcends borders through the magic of food fusion. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the vibrant markets of Mexico City, we will explore how culinary traditions can harmoniously blend to create unique gastronomic experiences. The beauty of food fusion lies in its limitless possibilities. It encourages creativity and invites chefs and home cooks alike to think outside the box. But before we dive into our delicious experiments, let us consider the foundations of these diverse cuisines, starting with two intriguing pairings: Italian-Japanese and Mexican-Korean. First, let us explore the exquisite marriage of Italian and Japanese flavors. Imagine savoring a delicate sushi roll filled with creamy mascarpone cheese and fresh basil, topped with a drizzle of balsamic glaze. This Italian-Japanese fusion showcases the freshness of traditional sushi while embracing the rich, comforting elements of Italian cuisine. To create this dish, we will need sushi rice, nori sheets, fresh fish, such as salmon or tuna, mascarpone cheese, fresh basil, and balsamic glaze. Begin by cooking the sushi rice according to package instructions and allow it to cool. Next, layer the nori sheet with the rice. Add the fish, a dollop of mascarpone, and a sprinkle of fresh basil before rolling tightly. Finish with a drizzle of balsamic glaze for that perfect sweet and tangy touch. And there you have it, an Italian-Japanese fusion dish that not only pleases the eyes but also tantalizes the taste buds. Now, let's shift gears and venture into the vibrant world of Mexican-Korean fusion. Picture a savory taco filled with marinated bulgogi beef, topped with spicy kimchi, and a sprinkle of cilantro. This dish is a celebration of robust flavors, blending the spicy notes of Korean cuisine with the festive spirit of Mexican street food. For this delightful creation, gather the following ingredients: bulgogi beef, corn tortillas, kimchi, fresh cilantro, and your choice of salsa. Start by marinating the beef in a mixture of soy sauce, sesame oil, and garlic. Once marinated, cook the beef in a hot pan until caramelized. Next, warm your corn tortillas and assemble your tacos by adding the bulgogi, a generous spoonful of kimchi, and a sprinkle of cilantro. For an extra kick, top it off with your favorite salsa. Voila! You now have a tantalizing taco that brings together the boldness of Korean bulgogi and the zest of Mexican cuisine, a dish that is sure to impress at any gathering. As we conclude our culinary exploration today, remember that the world of food fusion is bound only by your imagination. Whether it's blending the delicate flavors of Italy and Japan or the vibrant spices of Mexico and Korea, the possibilities are endless. We encourage you to experiment in your kitchen. Take inspiration from different cultures, combine ingredients you love, and create epic dishes. Share your culinary adventures with us in the comments below. What unique fusions have you crafted? Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more culinary inspiration. Until next time, keep cooking, keep exploring, and savor the joy of food fusion.